Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to repay a Clover credit builder loan. It's going to be a really quick video. So repaying a Clover's credit builder loan is a pretty simple process, and it can help you to easily build credit. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Clover account. Of course, you can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you want to click on Credit Builder, and then you want to select Repay Credit Builder Loan. Now, you want to enter your repayment information, including, of course, the repayment amount as well as the date. Then you want to confirm your repayment information, make sure it's all accurate, and submit that. And you do ensure to make on-time payments in order to build better credit. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to repay a Clover credit builder loan. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.